This is combination therapy unit. In this you will get ultrasound machine with 4 channel TENS. This is a combo pack. Now we'll see at the left hand side of the machine there is a TENS and a on off switch, which is a push and press on off switch. Same with the US ultrasound machine. At the behind there is a on off main switch. Here we have to insert a mains cord. Now the machine will start. When the machine is started, there will be a beep sound. So when you increase the timer, here there is a timer given which is in minutes. You have to increase it. When you increase, the beep sound will go off and it will go on to the timer. So now we are keeping it 5 minutes. The intensity is 00. This is the complete part of the ultrasound, and this is the L shape which is for the TENS machine. So now we will be using a ultrasound head on this machine. This is the ultrasound head, and the mono pin is inserted here, which is given for the ultrasound. Now we have to increase the intensity accordingly. Now we are using 1.1, 1:1, 1.4 is there, 1.7 and the last 1.10. So we will be going 1:1. Now we will be operating the ultrasound head. We have to put little water to see how it is working. The machine is right now at the pulse mode, which can be go to the continuous also as well. So we'll try it on the pulse mode. We have to switch on the switch here. Now the machine is on. You have to increase the intensity here. Now this is the pulse output what you will get in the ultrasound head. Now we'll switch this to the continuous mode. The output what you will be getting it will be continuous. This is how will be the ultrasound. Now we'll switch off the ultrasound. Now we'll go to the TENS machine. This is the push on switch. We have to insert the port. Your port is given, the cable cord and the pads are there, which you have to attach to the cable. I'll show you how to attach the pads to the cable cord. Here the 2 mm pin is there. You have to remove it. This 2 mm pin is there. You have to put it into the pad. Here the hole is given. The 2 mm hole is there. Here it is. Here you have to insert the pin here. Like this for all the pad you have to insert. We will be giving you 4 set of this. The first port, this is the 4 channel machine. So the first port we have to insert it. Now the second cable we will be inserting into this. This is how you have to insert. The third cable cord and the fourth. As because it is a 4 channel TENS it is. So now we'll check the pads on our body, how it's activating. So now we will start the machine here. You have to increase the intensity. Here you will find the working. It's in reset mode. It should go into the, you have to keep in mind when you use the machine, all the switches should go off, completely off it should be, and you can switch the machine to the working mode. Now the machine is into the working mode. It will start working and you will get the output from the machine, which is 4 channel TENS. You can see how the machine is working. Same you have to operate with the second port. This is the second cable cord. Now we'll operate it. We'll increase the second port. This is how the machine will be working. We have to increase the intensity because this machine is with the timer. So you have to increase the intensity, otherwise the beep voice will be coming. So now it is into the working mode and we are operating the second port. This is how the second port is working now. Now we'll go to the third port. Same you have to operate with the third port. Increase the intensity. This is the third port. Now we'll be switching off to the fourth port. At the time you can operate all the 4 ports at the same time you will be getting the same output. It depends on the increase of intensity what you will be doing according to your requirement. This is the fourth port. So this is how the machine is combination therapy unit, which is combined of ultrasonic with 4 channel turns. Thank you so much.